because these are brand new slimes. So yeah, and comment down below if you are a new subscriber, because I will be so happy. So yeah, and I got 8 new subscribers, so yeah. So let's start off with this one. These are like Christmas slimes. This is called Christmas Minion, and it's because it has one green glitter, and if you find it, then you're a Christmas member. So yeah. And if I had to rate this slime 1 out of 10, I'll do a 9. It's just because of it's swirling. It's a little bit too runny, you know, because it's too stretchy. But it still is the best slime ever. Next slime is, I only have 3, actually I have 4, but that one's hard to put in and out of the container. But the next slime is a white one, and this is called Santa's Milk. And if I had to rate this 1 out of 10, I'd rate an 8. It's because of its stretchiness and thickness. It's a little bit too thick. So yeah. But still, it's like runny, but like when you stretch it, it's thick. Watch. Ready? It's like kind of like putty. I don't know. And that's the next one. This is the last slime. I go biggest to smallest. I mean smallest to biggest. And this one, if I had to rate it 1 out of 10, I'd rate it a 7. Like, it's like all the things that I don't like. Well, I like that it isn't sticky, but I just don't like the texture. It's a little bit overactivated. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and bye!